Class 10th Mathematics, Chapter Trigonometry. There are some formula in trigonometry. You will understand some formulas of this chapter trigonometry. First, trigonometry. Try three gono angles metric measurement. What is trigonometry? The meaning, three angles measurement. In which figure there are three angles? In triangle there are three angles. So what will be the meaning of trigonometry? Branch of mathematics which deals with the study of measurement of three angles of a triangle. So not only angles, in triangle you are seeing 6 parameters, 3 parameters sides and 3 angles and also perimeter. So you will study the measurement of triangles. Now here a right triangle you have taken. Right triangle that you are seeing, this is right angle 90 degree, 90 degree. For this, and in a triangle there are three sides, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So opposite 90 degree, opposite side of, there is some confusion for the students to identify base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. So in a right triangle, for 90 degree, opposite side of 90 degree, hypotenuse, opposite side of 90 degree, hypotenuse, opposite side of 90 degree, hypotenuse. So there should be no confusion. Whenever you are seeing a right triangle 90 degree, opposite side of 90 degree, there will be hypotenuse. And now this angle is based on this. So this is your base and here perpendicular. For this angle, acute angle, for acute angle, opposite side of acute angle is perpendicular. For this angle, the acute angle, opposite side of acute angle is perpendicular. Now there are three sides, hypotenuse, perpendicular. So this will be your base, or this angle is based on this side. Here also for this angle, opposite side of acute angle, perpendicular, opposite side of 90 degree, hypotenuse. So this angle is based on this side. This is your base. So you will keep in mind, whenever there is a right angle, then you can identify perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So for acute angle, opposite side perpendicular. For 90 degree right angle, opposite side hypotenuse. And for acute angle, opposite side perpendicular. So for this angle, hypotenuse, base, perpendicular. For this acute angle, perpendicular, hypotenuse, base. For this acute angle, hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. So there are, in trigonometric you will use 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios. So here sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Cos theta is equal to, sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B. Or for this, what is sin theta? Sin theta in right angle is equal to the ratio of perpendicular to the hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to ratio of base to the hypotenuse in a right angle. In this way, this is ratio of two sides of a right angle. So for this remembering, actually basically there are three: sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So without angle this is meaningless. Here you can write sin theta, theta, A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma you can take. So now for remembering these three, so here Pandit Badri Prasad Harar Bol. So Pandit Badri Prasad Harar Bol. So sin theta sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B, and after that this is reciprocal, so it will be B by P, and here this will be reciprocal B H by B, and here sin theta H by P. In this way you will remember. And here sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B. After that there is a reciprocal. In trigonometry you will study 6 trigonometric ratios. Now there are product formula. There are 3 formula. In this way you will remember: sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So it is very easy to remember. How will you remember? Sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So first formula you can see, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, and from here you can get sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So this you are getting here. Product you are getting sin theta cosec theta is equal to 1. Now cos theta and sec theta, cos theta and sec theta is equal to 1. Second formula, cos theta sec theta is equal to 1. From here cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Now one more, third formula, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So there are 3 product formula. Now there are addition formula, 3 addition formula. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Addition formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here also you can get sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, और sin theta is equal to अंडर रूट, स्क्वायर रिमूव करेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, अंडर रूट 1 माइनस cos square theta. So here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta. So here there is addition formula, sin square theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. इससे क्या 4 फॉर्मूला निकाल सकते हो. फिफ्थ फॉर्मूला जो हो गया 1 प्लस tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So this sec square theta minus tan square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, और tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Okay, in this way you can remember. Or more formula, addition formula, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, और cot square theta is equal to cot square cosec square theta minus 1. So these three product formula, three addition formula. tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, और cot theta is tan theta is reciprocal, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. So cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So in class 10th only these 8 formulas are sufficient. Okay, one more formula you can see. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. One more formula, 10 cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to, अगर इसको लिखा 1 minus sin square theta, तो माइनस sin square theta तो क्या हो जाएगा 1 minus 2 sin square theta, या इसको अगर चेंज करें 1 minus cos square theta तो क्या हो जाएगा 2 cos square theta minus 1. So in this way you can remember cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. These formula, and also one more formula, sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So these formula sufficient for class 10th.